In this video, we are going to talk about the word belong. So belong is a verb, and today we are going to look at two ways that we can use it. The first way is to explain ownership, who something belongs to. So if I say, I have a key, this is my key, this key belongs to me. Those are all 90% the same. So it belongs to me means it is mine. I am the owner of this thing. So if you find something and you don't know whose it is, you can also say you don't know who it belongs to. So if you find something in your office and you want to ask your coworkers, is this yours? Is this yours? Is this yours? You can ask, excuse me, whose is this? Or, excuse me, who does this belong to? And someone might say, it doesn't belong to me. And another person might say, it belongs to me. That is mine. Thank you very much. I have been looking for that all day. So this is belong. Belong shows who the owner is. The other way that we can use belong is more about whether or not something is in the correct place. So, does this belong on the floor? Means, should I put it on the floor? No, it does not belong on the floor. Does it belong on the table? Yes, it does. I usually put it on the table. That is the correct place for it. It belongs there. Maybe your children put their school books on the floor, and that's not good. You might tell them, don't put your books on the floor. They do not belong there. They are very important. You need to keep them clean. They belong on the shelf. Please pick up your books and put them where they belong. They belong on the shelf. You could also, maybe you see two people and they love each other very much and they are perfect for each other. You could say that they belong together. That means that them being together is very correct, very appropriate. They are perfect for each other. They are so adorable, they just belong together. Or maybe you go to a company and you start to work there, but you realize that you do not fit in. You don't like the environment. The other people are not nice to you. Maybe you feel like you don't belong there. You don't belong there means it is not the correct place for you. So again, two ways to use belong. We can use belong, like, who does this belong to? It belongs to me, to show ownership. Or we can use belong to talk about the correct place, the correct situation. This belongs on the table. It does not belong on the floor.